Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Welcome at Tabarak Academy. This is Amr, a Quran and Tajweed teacher for non-Arabic speakers. Inshallah, in this video, we are gonna talk about the real hiding. We will cover what is the meaning of real hiding and ghunna with real hiding. Ghunna is nasal sound, yeah. And some examples with real hiding. If you wanna know, let's start. The meaning of real hiding, it means when nun sakina or tanween followed by any letter other than the letters of clarity, turning or merging, it means we have real hiding. And we should apply ghunna with real hiding. We have two types of ghunna, okay? How many types? Okay, we have two types of ghunna with real hiding. First one is heavy ghunna. It means when nun sakina or tanween followed by any letter of real hiding, and this letter belongs to a heavy letters. So in this case, we will pronounce the heavy ghunna. Okay, I think you have a question now. Could you please tell me about the heavy letters? Yeah, we collected the heavy letters in phrase khussa datin qilb. Okay, for example, when nun sakina followed by any letter that belongs to real hiding, and this letter belongs also to heavy letters, in this case I'll pronounce the nasal sound heavy. For example, mil salsal. Mil salsal, yeah, because nun sakina in this example followed by sad letter, so I pronounce it with a heavy ghunna. The second type is real hiding with a light ghunna. So for example, when I say man kana, yeah, nun sakina here followed by kaf, and kaf belongs to light letters. Real hiding maybe comes between one word or two words. For example, when I say إن الإنسان خلق هلوعا, okay, الإنسان, yeah, this is nun sakina followed by sin, and sin belongs to real hiding, and sin also light letter, so we have real hiding with a light ghunna. سيصلى نارا ذات لهب. سيصلى نارا. We have tanween with fath followed by dal, and dal is a light letter, belongs to a light letter, so we have a light ghunna. نارا ذات لهب. وجاء ربك والملك صفا صفا. We have tanween with fath followed by sad, and sad belongs to a heavy letters, so we have a heavy ghunna. Alhamdulillah, in this video we have covered what is the meaning of real hiding and ghunna with real hiding and letters of real hiding, and we have practiced on some examples. I think that's all, and can see you inshallah in the next video. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.